As chartered accountants, we are always on the lookout for how to boost our efficiency, precision, and the overall value of services that we offer to our clients. With Power BI, you can visualize complex data with ease. You can turn numbers into stories that drive decisions and actions. Technologies like robotic process automations can help chartered accountants in automating their repetitive tasks like performing reconciliations so that they focus more on strategic analysis and decision making. With artificial intelligence, you can dive deeper into the predictive analytics. It's not about the past number, it's about the future opportunities and smarter financial strategies. Embrace these technologies to elevate your practice and enhance your value. The future is now and it's in your hands.